In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio levels in Descript. Whether you're producing a podcast or editing a video, getting the audio just right is crucial for a professional finish. So let's dive in and ensure your project sounds its best. First, you'll want to start by opening Descript in your browser. If you haven't already installed it, you can easily find it online and get set up in just a few minutes. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. Enter your login credentials as you normally would. This will take you to your dashboard where you can access all of your projects. After logging in, locate the account icon, usually found at the upper right corner of the page, and select it. Clicking on your account will help you access your recent projects more swiftly. Once you've identified the project you'd like to work with, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Descript editor where you can start making adjustments. Now with your project open, navigate to the specific audio you want to adjust. Simply click on it to make it active. Once you've selected your audio file, the next step is to look for the Properties tab. This is where the magic happens, as it contains all the tools you need for adjusting your audio levels. In the Properties section, you'll find the Audio Volume Controls. This is where you can fine-tune the audio levels. There are two ways to do this. You can either use the sliders for a quick adjustment or type in an exact value if you prefer precision. For most projects, adjusting the audio by feel using the slider is intuitive and effective, but sometimes you might have a specific measurement you need to hit. Either way, be sure to listen back to the audio after making your changes to ensure it suits your needs. Remember, balancing audio is all about finding harmony within your project. You want to avoid audio that's too soft for listeners to comfortably hear, or too loud that it distorts. Take your time with the adjustments and feel free to save multiple versions if you're experimenting with different levels. Once you're happy with the adjustments, make sure you save your project to ensure all changes are not lost. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your audio levels in Descript. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your audio sounds just right, enhancing the overall quality of your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from better sounding projects in Descript. Thanks for watching and happy editing.